In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests in ClickUp safely. ClickUp is an incredible tool for task and project management, and one of its standout features is the ability to collaborate with external users by inviting them as guests. Whether you're working with clients, contractors, or collaborators, it's essential to share the right information while keeping sensitive data secure. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of inviting guests in ClickUp, ensuring everything is set up properly and safely. Let's get started. First, open the specific folder or list in ClickUp that you want to share. This is the area where your guest will be able to view, comment on, or edit tasks depending on the permission level you assign. Make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. Now, confirm that the folder or list you're about to share only contains tasks and files that are appropriate for the guest to access. Review everything carefully to ensure nothing sensitive is included. If you find any confidential information, move it to another location or create a clean, client-facing list specifically for this purpose. Once your folder or list is ready, locate the Share button. You'll find this in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to open the sharing panel. If you don't see the Share button, double-check that you're in the correct folder or list, as the button won't appear in other areas of ClickUp. In the sharing panel, type the guest's email address. Be sure to enter it correctly to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Once the email address is entered, you'll need to select the appropriate guest permission level. ClickUp allows you to choose between view, comment, or edit permissions. Carefully consider what level of access your guest truly needs and select the lowest permission level that will allow them to perform their tasks effectively. Next, make sure the Invite as Guest option is selected. Do not choose the Member option, as this would give them more access than they need. Also ensure that their access is limited to just the specific folder or list you're sharing. This step is crucial for maintaining security. When everything looks good, click the Send Invite button. This will send an email invitation to the guest, allowing them to join your workspace. Now, wait for the guest to accept the invitation. They'll need to click on the link in the email to confirm their access. Once they've accepted, reopen the sharing panel in ClickUp. Verify that the guest now appears in the list of users with access to the folder or list. Finally, double-check that their permission level is set exactly as you intended. This is your opportunity to confirm everything is secure and that the guest has the appropriate level of access. And that's it. By following these steps, you can confidently invite guests to your ClickUp workspace while keeping everything organized and secure. If you're new to ClickUp, you can find a registration link in the description below to create your account and start managing your projects effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.